Hey there! Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem that many of us face while using Orion. The problem we're addressing today is the need to quickly copy images from Orion to another app like Notion or GoodNotes while making notes. It can be quite a time-consuming and frustrating task to right-click on images and select Copy Image every single time, especially with the small menu options on Mac. We're looking for a solution to streamline this process and make note-taking a smoother experience. Let's talk about the solution to this pesky problem. The quickest way to copy images is through drag and drop. You can simply drag the image and drop it at the end of any existing line or in an empty line in your desired app. This method saves you the hassle of right-clicking and searching for the Copy Image option. Remember, you can use the Command-Tab shortcut to bring the text app to the front without letting go of the dragged image. It's all about maximizing efficiency and minimizing unnecessary steps. In summary, we've explored a handy solution to the image copying dilemma while using Orion. By utilizing the drag and drop method, you can seamlessly transfer images to Notion, GoodNotes, or any other app you prefer for note-taking. Say goodbye to the time-consuming right-clicking process and say hello to a more efficient workflow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. Remember, a little drag and drop can go a long way in simplifying your tasks.